Lecture 1. What is Qlik and why use it? Welcome everyone. Today, we're kicking off this course with a simple but important question. What exactly is Qlik and why are so many people using it to work with data? Whether you are completely new to data visualization or you have heard a bit of dashboards and charts, this lecture will help you understand where Qlik fits in and why it matters in both academic and real-world contexts. In this lecture, you will learn what Qlik is, how it works, and why it's a go-to tool for turning raw data into meaningful visuals. We will learn the key features that make Qlik different from spreadsheets, look at how it's used across various fields like business and healthcare, and discuss what makes it a valuable skill to have as a student. By the end, you will not only understand what Qlik is, you will also see how it can help you solve problems, information, and tell better stories with data. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to understand what Qlik is and what it's used for. Recognize how Qlik is different from other data tools like Excel or Tableau. Identify real-world situations where Qlik adds value. Begin thinking about how you might use Qlik in your own academic or career projects. Let's get started. What is Qlik? At its core, Qlik is a tool that helps you see what's in your data. Instead of scrolling through endless rows in a spreadsheet, Qlik allows you to build visual dashboard charts, tables, filters that helps you understand and explain patterns, trends, and outliers. Imagine you are looking at a dataset of student grades. In Excel, you might sort the scores or average them. In Qlik, you can instantly create a bar chart showing grade distributions, a filter to isolate one class section, or even a color-coded heat map to find struggling students, all without doing the math by hand. Qlik Sense, the version we will use, is designed for self-service data visualization, meaning you don't need to be a data scientist or coder to use it. It's built for users like you, students, researchers, interns, and future professionals who need to understand and present data quickly. Why use Qlik instead of a spreadsheet? Spreadsheets are great for working with data, but not so great at showing data. Qlik goes a step further by helping you interact with your information visually. Here's how it stands out. Speed. Once your data is loaded, you can click, filter, and explore instantly. Clarity. Qlik's visuals make trends obvious. You don't have to guess what the numbers mean. Interactivity. You can slice the data by time, region, category, whatever you like, with just a click. No coding required. Unlike some tools that need scripts or formulas, Qlik keeps it user-friendly. It's especially helpful when you are dealing with large datasets, where finding insights manually becomes tedious. Think thousands of row sales record, survey responses, attendance logs. Qlik can handle that without crashing or overwhelming you. Where is Qlik used in real life? Let's ground this in real-world applications. Qlik is widely used in business. Companies use it to track sales, customer behavior, and performance. Healthcare. Hospitals use dashboards to monitor patient data and identify issues. Education. Universities use to analyze student performance, enrollment trends, and more. Government. Agencies use Qlik to track budgets, crime rates, and policy impacts. Now imagine you are working on a semester project, analyzing data from a local NGO. Using Qlik, you could build a dashboard that shows donation by month, donors by location, or spending by category, all in one interactive view. What makes Qlik unique? There are other tools out there, Power BI, Tableau, and Google Data Studio, but Qlik has a few unique features. Associative model. Unlike most tools that use fixed data relationships, Qlik lets you explore freely. When you click on something, Qlik highlights related data and grays out unrelated info. It's like asking, show me everything connected to this, and Qlik answering visually. Self-service design. You don't have to wait for an expert to build dashboards for you. You can do it yourself and learn by experimenting. Flexible deployment. Qlik works on desktop or in the cloud, so whether you're working offline on a project or collaborating online, you are covered. Why you should learn Qlik as a student? As a university student, Qlik offers two major benefits. Portfolio-ready skills. Creating dashboards in Qlik shows employers you can work with data, a skill valued in nearly every industry. Practical assignments. From research projects to data analysis tasks, you will find Qlik helps you work smarter, not harder. Even if you don't pursue a career in data analytics, being able to understand and present data visually is a lifelong advantage.